You ever grab a plier set and feel like something's just off? Handles too stiff, jaws slipping, or they just don't last? I went out and bought the top 5 plier sets on the market and actually used them for real tasks, cutting wires, bending metal, tightening bolts, so you don't waste your money. I'm breaking down which ones are actually worth keeping in your toolbox. Product number 1, IRWIN Tools Vice Grip Groove Lock Plier Set 8-piece. When I first held this IRWIN Vice Grip set, the build quality immediately stood out. The Pro Touch grips are thick and anti-slip, so even when my hands were sweaty from a weekend project, I didn't feel them sliding. The groove lock mechanism is surprisingly smooth. Press the button, slide, and it locks perfectly without any pinching. In real use, these pliers tackled everything I threw at them. I used the 12-inch groove lock for a stubborn pipe fitting and it didn't budge. The ratcheting action really makes adjusting fast and easy. The kit bag is a nice touch too, keeps all 8 pieces organized, which is rare. For anyone who wants a serious, all-around set that lasts forever, this one's hard to beat. If you want one set for plumbing, electrical, and basic repairs, this is it. Product number 2, DURATCH 7-piece pliers set with rolling pouch. Holding the DURATCH set, I immediately noticed the weight. It's solid but not heavy, which makes it easier on your hands for long jobs. The TPR handles are very comfortable and the steel feels tough and rust-resistant. I like that the rolling pouch keeps everything neat so you can grab it and go. During testing, these pliers performed well for small repair jobs. The hardened cutting edges on the diagonal cutter slice through wire like butter, and the long needle nose helped me reach tight spots behind furniture. I also bent a sheet metal bracket with the linesman pliers and it held without any flex. This set is perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or anyone who wants a portable, organized toolkit. If you need something you can toss in your car or carry around the house, this DURATCH set is solid. Product number 3, IRWIN Vice Grip Pliers Set 4-piece. The 4-piece IRWIN Vice Grip felt like a premium mini toolkit. The grips are cushioned, which really reduces hand fatigue when you're cranking bolts or snipping wires. I could tell the nickel chromium steel is strong just by flexing the pliers. It doesn't feel cheap at all. In real-life use, these pliers are simple but reliable. I used the 10-inch groove joint to loosen an old pipe fitting, and the 8-inch long nose helped maneuver wiring behind a cabinet with zero frustration. It's a smaller set, but everything feels solid and dependable. If you're looking for a compact, high-quality set that covers most basic jobs without cluttering your toolbox, this is a great pick. It's especially good if you don't need the full 8-piece kit. Product number 4, WRKPRO Pliers Set Premium CRV Construction. The WRKPRO set surprised me. Out of the box, they come coated to prevent rust, which I really appreciate since I tend to leave tools lying around. The blackened, heat-treated CRV steel feels sturdy and gives the pliers a solid, almost industrial weight. The bi-material handles are grippy and comfortable, even for extended use. The groove joint handled pipes well, and the hardened cutting edges made snipping wires and small nails effortless. I also like that the linesman and slip joint pliers are versatile enough for multiple tasks, so you don't feel limited. This set is ideal for homeowners who need a reliable, all-purpose collection for everyday repairs. It's sturdy, looks good in your toolbox, and performs just as well as pricier sets. Product number 5, WRKPRO 7-piece pliers set. When I picked up this 7-piece WRKPRO set, the first thing I noticed was the finish. The polished steel looks clean and the handles are comfortably coated for grip. The pliers feel solid without being heavy, which is nice for longer DIY projects. I put them through various home tasks, tightening screws, cutting garden wire, and bending small metal pieces. The hardened edges made cutting smooth, and the groove joint is easy to adjust and stays in place. I also like the variety of sizes, from the small 412-inch long nose to the big 8-inch groove plier, so you have the right tool for almost anything. If you're into DIY or just need a reliable set for occasional home projects, this one covers all the basics without breaking the bank. It's practical and gets the job done. That's a wrap on the 5 plier sets I actually used. Each one has its strengths, depending on whether you want compact, portable, or heavy-duty. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and grab the one that fits your toolbox best.